Hi everyone! One of my favorite things to do is to visit the thrift store, see what I can find and use them to get creative and just make something special. Now recently I was in the thrift store in our small town and I saw a bunch of these knitted panels. I'm not sure what they were meant to be. Could be placemats. However, when I saw them, I knew I could do something with them. So I picked up about, let me see, 9 panels for just $3. I have picked out 4 of them here, which I am going to use to do something creative. Now I have yarn, which I also picked up at the thrift store. I actually picked up a bag of yarn for $3. But I'm going to be using this white one to go along with my panels here. I will be using a paper clip along with the yarn to join the panels, and the first thing I'm going to do is join the 2 back panels. So I'm just going to thread the yarn through the paper clip just like you would a needle, and then I am going to start threading the yarn back and forth through the corresponding hole on each panel. Ta-da! I am making a pillow cover, my friends. Did you guess it? So I'm gonna go ahead and get the insert in, and then I will finish off the other end. And there we go. Now I'll finish off this end. I'm just doing a running stitch putting the yarn through corresponding holes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and leave your comments below. Also, if you have watched this video and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button. And remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.